Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can share your KW branded app link right from your Command Mobile. This will allow you to share the app link on your mobile device from the Command Mobile app so that someone can download your branded My KW app and sign in as a consumer. That ultimately gives you Big Brother access so that you can see things like every listing they view and also help personalize their experience within the app itself. You can do this by opening your Command Mobile app first. So at the top left of our screen here, the red background white KW, that is the Command Mobile app. We'll tap that to open it. Now we're already logged in. You may actually see the login screen. But once you're here, you can come up here to the top left-hand corner and choose your name. First decision to make is decide if you are going to share your personal KW branded app link, meaning you are the agent that shows on every single listing in the app, or you can choose your team account and share your team app link. This will show your team branding, and any account created on that app link will actually go into your team command contacts and be assigned to you. Choose whichever one you want. The turquoise checkbox to the top right will need to be beside the account that you want to use. So we are going to do personal, and you can see that it's already checked. From there, choose the Share My KW app link from the menu. This will open up default methods on your particular mobile device so that you can go ahead and share this link either through text, messenger, whatever methods you currently use. We'll go ahead and touch messages, and you can see here that we've already followed through and texted it to ourselves so that you can see what the app would look like. Now, yours should be personalized to you. Ours is a generic KW app link, but yours should be branded to you, meaning you are already the agent selected and the only agent that would show within the KW app itself. And when a consumer receives this, they can simply click on this link, and it should begin taking them through the steps to download the app, like you can see on your screen, from their app store on their mobile device. If you have any questions at all about this or any of your other KW platforms, you can always reach out to us via email at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.